DEWALT's TSTAK organizers are comprised of 4 modular storage units. With each unit sold separately, they offer a customized solution for convenience and transportability. Regardless of the trade you work in, this system allows you to build a personalized storage unit around your job's needs. Ball-bearing slides help each unit to open and close easily. Furthermore, they have bi-material handles for comfortable lifting. The units are made of a durable polypropylene to withstand the regular job site rigors that toolboxes endure. For storing small parts and accessories, this unit has 2 drawers with dividers in each one. This is beneficial for organization and accessibility. The second unit contains 4 small and 2 large removable cups with lids inside of a pull-out drawer. This allows electricians and other tradesmen to easily store hand tools and organize small parts. These 2 units are ideal for carpenters and tradesmen carrying their power tools. Both contain large storage spaces and can fit a customizable foam or plastic insert to help protect your tools while transporting the unit. The large handled unit helps for ease of carrying and contains an organizer for small parts. This new line of storage products are ideal for professionals such as technicians, electricians, HVAC installers, contractors, finish carpenters, and a host of other.
Akro-Mils ProBox toolboxes are no-nonsense professional toolboxes in a class of their own. The included removable tray keeps small tools visible and organized. Its steel latch snaps tightly closed, and the oversized padlock eye accepts larger padlocks. The ProBox's handle provides a sure, comfortable grip. ProBoxes are available in 12-inch and 14-inch sizes.
This is the perfect toolbox for carrying all the tools you'll need. It's made of high-quality plastic and will hold up to temps as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking. It features an interior organizer tray with a built-in ruler. It pulls out to reveal a large, spacious compartment for larger items like hammers, wrenches, and even small power tools. The top of the box is great for storing small parts, nails, screws, etc., so you can find what you need and have easy access to those things you use the most. The lids snap down securely so nothing is going to fall out. The metal non-slip handle makes it easy to carry, and the stainless steel locks snap the box tightly closed so everything inside is safe. This toolbox also features a small latch hole that makes it possible to padlock it closed. The bottom of the box has a non-slip grid that makes it stay where you put it. And all of these features make this toolbox the perfect choice for carrying your tools along with the small parts you'll need to get the job done.
Weston's Contractor Topside Toolbox is professional class fleet-style management equipment manufactured exclusively for use by contractors. Proudly made in the USA and designed to withstand weather, avoid security issues, and stand up to heavy-duty use, it's the ultimate choice for all of your toolbox needs. The top shelf is reinforced to carry heavy loads and has secure stainless folding locking T-handles to ensure the safety of your tools. Made especially for flat or stake beds, its configuration varies by length. Our Contractor Topside Toolbox is extra deep and tall, and the bottom drawers have organizers. Choose silver or black powder-coated aluminum finish to fit your individual taste and style. Remember, when it comes to your vehicle, Weston is the name you can trust.